Recording in progress.
Hello there and welcome to this particular mixed maths short test. So you've got 20 different types of questions and they range from ratio to gradients to algebra to formulas to substitution type of questions. So it's good practice to actually get your head around some of these mixed questions. This first particular question is a BODMAS question and it's just a simple calculation. So with BODMAS, you know that we have to work out the brackets first of all. So brackets, then you work out the operations, obviously, and the operations are division, multiplication, addition, and also subtraction. So in this case, let's open the brackets first of all. So 2 add 5 is simply 7. And then after we've done this, we do the multiplication naturally because a multiplication comes first on our BODMAS list, which then gives us 21. And then we add it to 1 on the left-hand side, and that gives us a final answer of 22. So this particular question is based on BODMAS. So you've got to use the BODMAS ruling first before you answer these questions. Try your best with the rest of the questions. We'll see how you got on in this mixed maths test, and we'll review these in our follow-up class. Good luck.